Yo, here's how you sound like Shay in the fully loaded EP. I'm gonna play Shay first.
Something to bless some titties. I said that lean, I don't pour no henny. They let the dogs out to try you a kitty. I'm from Atlanta, get robbed for some pennies. I'm from the beach that I'm ripping my city. I let her smile like a death head remake. Fuck off, cause you your OD, I'm saying that. They like the one OG selling them sandwiches. They my pops in the trap, they abandoned them. That I grew up, I start understanding them. Moving that shit with precision and stamina. I got the groupie put me on their banister.
Alright, that was Shay. And here's my remake.
Smoke for a nigga who didn't. Smoke for a nigga who didn't. That nigga so for a pill and some titties. Pussy boy something, I bought some titties. I said that lean, I don't pour no henny. But if the doors of the trap, you gon' get it. I'm from Atlanta, get robbed for some pennies. I'm from the bitch, I work in my city. I'm born in the spot like a dipper around me. Fuck all bitch, you your OD on Xanax. Bill up the one OG selling them sandwiches. Tell them my post and they try they abandon them. Now that I grew up, I saw the same one. Moving that shit with precision and similar. I got the groupie put me on their business. Nobody sending them shots at your manager. 50,000 I shot, I submit them. The pussy rapper was smarter than Bill. I'm dead. You take your luck cause I shit on them dead. Look at your chain, your diamonds invisible. Look at my brain, that shit I got sent them. They pussy niggas, they really be me like. Smoke for a nigga who didn't. 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 Smoke for a nigga who didn't.
Alright, yep. So basically, what you wanna do, if you trying to sound like him, step one, get the right preset, you know. Shout out Kami. I got my preset from him. And yeah, I made this shit like literally like within 6 hours after Shay dropped it. So yeah, thought that preset kind of would be cooked, gang. But yeah, basically what you want to do is you want to like kind of like rev out your voice while making it deep. So you want to like you want to like rev out your voice like that type shit. And then you want to also talk deep, like you want to talk like you want to like get real deep, you feel me? So basically, yeah, you just combine those two, and once you do that, you'll start like you start sounding like this, like that type shit. A little bit deeper, but yeah, it'll be like that. And you have the preset too to help like make it even more deeper. And like, cause like, here's like, here, let me see.
I got smoke for a nigga who didn't. I got smoke for a nigga who didn't. These niggas suffer a pill and some titties. Pussy boy something, I butt and some titties. I said that lean, I don't pour no henny. Put with the dose of the trap, you gon' get it. I'm from Atlanta, get robbed for some pennies.
So like, that wasn't that deep. I could have made it deeper, but you know, that like the preset helps make it even deeper to get that like Shay effect. You feel me? So yeah, basically make your voice deep, rev it, motorcycle voice, you know what I'm saying? There's tutorials on how to like do the motorcycle thing, but yeah, you want to do that, practice it. Once you get good at it, you'll be able to like, you know, do a little rock thing and then add the preset, and then yeah, you should have the finished product like this.
Smoke for a nigga who didn't. Smoke for a nigga who didn't. That nigga so for a pill and some titties. Pussy boy something, I bought some titties. I said I lean, I don't pour no henny. But if the doors of the trap, you gon' get it. I'm from Atlanta, get robbed for some pennies. I'm from the bitch, I work in my city. I'm born in the spot like a dipper around me. Fuck all bitch, you your OD on Xanax. Bill up the one OG selling them sandwiches. Tell them my post and they try they abandon them. Now that I grew up, I saw the same one. Moving that shit with precision and similar. I got the groupie put me on their business. Nobody sending them shots at your manager. 50,000 I shot, I submit them. The pussy rapper was smarter than Bill. I'm dead. You take your luck cause I shit on them dead. Look at your chain, your diamonds invisible. Look at my brain, that shit I got sent them. They pussy niggas, they really be me like. Smoke for a nigga who didn't. 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 I'm up in mission, I'm driving a Billy. My bitch, she spent her allowance on things. Rock at the show, I'm covered so many. Don't for a pussy need pennies. We do it hitting, I dodge with a camera. I go to bed in my just out of jammies. Fool you a bitch, you gon' spread out your family. I rob a thing that you don't understand. I just keep 20,000 on my dance. My shawty pussy, it be like a server. Smoke too much weed in my top, I was like like dancing. Wanna so small with me like winning cancer. Won't swim with me like dropping your bandana. Killing niggas like I'm from Alabama. Shut up, she white just like Rice, Alabama.